Good afternoon, morning, or evening. I'm the Mainly Digger. Someone was smart and took the bell out of that because they know there's people like myself who would be like. And in this video, I do something interesting. I do some metal detecting and find some pretty awesome things. And it's only a short trip though, but I use a GoPro. Okay, not that different than any other time, but I use a GoPro that I got off of eBay that was broken. And wouldn't work. And then I made it work. This is how the story goes. I love fixing things. I love fixing electronics. And this GoPro is something I was supposed to, learn on and learn to repair. I was going to take it apart because it was broken and it was cheap. I get this GoPro, and I'm excited. I'm so excited. And I plug it in and it charges, which it's not supposed to. And then I turn it on and it works. It records and it shoots video. I just had it plugged in for a minute. It's missing the cover for the charger, plug-in, and SD, but it turns on, and I'll see how it works. So I'm kind of disappointed. I'm not, because I'm going to resell it, but I'm kind of disappointed because I really wanted to work on it. Anyway, it turned out fairly good, and you'll see in the video. Well, you see by the video and the pictures that I took. The issue that I think it was having is GoPros are sensitive to weather and weather temperatures and weather changes. So that could have been it. And they need the updates, the firmware updates. So that's an easy fix. You go to the GoPro website and upload the firmware. So it's fairly easy fix. Good for me. And yeah, mainly to go. This is from the GoPro I fixed and wouldn't charge. So I have a video, charged it charged it somewhat, and it worked. So that's kind of cool. And I'm kind of testing it out, and I'm gonna sell it again or resell it. So this is video from that GoPro. First find of the day is a pipe or something. It has this weird head on it. I don't know, I think it's cool. I don't know if it's a pipe. On the KVCC campus, Alphon campus, the old Goodwill Hinckley farm. And this is an old road that has been used for a long time. I'm kind of staying in the mowed areas just because it's easier, and the other non-mowed areas has fertilizer on them, so I am staying away from the fertilizer. Sounds like a plan. Mainly dig out. So clearly changed my location based on it's shady here and there's trees, and this area has been used for a while, heavily used for a while. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that and butcher that name, but this plaque in this area was presented by George W. Hinckley, which is the founder of the Goodwill Hinckley School boarding school, boys school, however you want to put it, and this was the farm, like I've stated multiple times, multiple videos. It's just a really cool area. They have like a playground now. I don't know if it was a playground back then, but it's just a gorgeous area. And I found this bad boy right here. No idea what it is. I think it's not a ring. I got really excited, but it's not a ring. I don't know if it's jewelry. I don't know if it's probably like the lid to something, but it looks pretty. So when I take it home, I might clean it up and we'll see how it goes. Anyway, gorgeous spot, shady, very nice. Someone was smart and took the bell out of that, because they know there's people like myself who would be like pushing buttons and dinging it. But that's just cool, an old bell. I'm guessing it's from the school, one of the schools. This was a high school, Averill High School, and then there was before that the Goodwill Hinckley. So it was all probably used by somebody, had to be. Anyway, it's here now, and it's kind of cool. I'm getting really distracted. This is what happens. This is what happens. Oh, wow. This day's turned out pretty good. In like a foot, less than a foot radius, I found the top of a salt shaker or pepper shaker, some type of shaker. This is awesome. Good times. Oh, another penny. Second coin of the day. So what I did is I stepped away. I was going down this path, and then I went up. There's a path right there. That's where I found the spoon and the salt, top to the salt or pepper shaker or whatever it is. But I decided to come away from the path a little bit, because this path has probably maybe been there for 10 years. I don't know exactly, but this place has had a lot of activity over 300 years, over 3 centuries or whatever, and those paths have moved. So that path doesn't mean it's always been in that one location. It could have been in multiple locations. I'm finding not old pennies, so yeah, I'll see what I can do. Another penny. This one is from the 70s. Came out with the copper color. Came out with that. Yeah, shut up. Dime from the 60s. Earliest coin I found today. So another penny from the 70s, and maybe a square nail, maybe not. Definitely a piece of metal. Good times. Oh, first coin of the day is a penny. Probably from the 90s, kind of corroded, it's kind of broken down, but coin's a coin. As you can see, the GoPro works. It shoots video, decent video. I mean, good video. I don't say just decent. It shoots good video, 4K, and takes decent photos, or has the ability to take decent photos. So it is 100%, which is awesome for me. And I had a good time. The couple things that I found were pretty cool. The spoon I haven't done much research on it. I'm going to. It was just cool. It was a different type of spoon that I haven't seen before, or it's just bent really a lot. Who knows? I'm going to find out. And then there was the dial thing that I found, which is, I thought it was off a watch, but it's not. It might be off like a lock. I don't know. And then the salt and top of the salt and pepper shaker, which is just cool. Like it looks old. I might do some research on that. I will, just randomly. And I mean, I'm so happy that GoPro works. And I mean, I was disappointed. I'm definitely disappointed, but I'm definitely gonna resell it and see how much I get for it. And to dig out.